your new vision. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have bring you the latest model of Nubia Flip 5G. Let's get into the video. Nubia Flip 5G was launched globally on Tuesday, April 9th. The clamshell foldable smartphone was initially unveiled at the Mobile World Congress 2024 (MWC) event in Barcelona in February this year. The handset is equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, a 4,310 mAh battery with support for 33W fast charging, and a 6.9-inch OLED primary display. Compared to other vertically folding phones like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, Tecno Phantom V Flip 5G or Oppo Find N3 Flip, the Nubia Flip 5G is a budget offering. Under the hood, the Nubia Flip 5G features the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 SoC with Adreno 644 GPU, offering decent performance for everyday tasks and multitasking. While it might not be the top-of-the-line processor, it helps maintain a cost-effective approach. The phone comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage, ensuring smooth operation and fast data transfer speeds. Out of the box, it runs on Android 13. The Nubia Flip 5G is backed by a 4,310 mAh battery with 33W wired fast charging support. The handset ships with an adapter and a USB Type-C charging cable in the box. It supports 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and NFC connectivity. The phone is also equipped with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security. When unfolded, the phone measures 170mm x 75.5mm x 7mm in size and weighs 209g. It is equipped with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 SoC with support for up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of onboard storage. The dual-rail suspended hinge of the Nubia Flip 5G is claimed to be able to endure more than 200,000 unfolds. For optics, the Nubia Flip 5G comes with a dual camera unit which includes a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The phone also gets a 16-megapixel selfie camera that's placed in hole punch slot at the top of the inner foldable display. The Nubia Flip 5G sports a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus, 1188 by 2790 pixels, OLED inner display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The 1.43-inch OLED cover screen has a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and is placed within a circular camera module. Nubia claims the Flip can withstand over 200,000 unfolds, which is the same rating as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Outside of China, the 8GB plus 256GB option of the Nubia Flip 5G is priced in China at 2,999 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 512GB variants are priced at 3,299 Chinese yuan and 3,699 Chinese yuan, roughly, respectively. Globally, the Nubia Flip 5G is offered in only 8GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 512GB configurations, listed respectively at $499 and $699. The phone is currently available for pre-order in China, as well as globally. It will go on sale starting April 23rd. The Nubia Flip 5G is available in Australia, Chile, Egypt, Hong Kong SAR, Indonesia, Israel, Kuwait, Laos, Malaysia, New Zealand, Pakistan, Philippines, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, Thailand, United Arab Emirates, United States, and Vietnam. Nubia Flip 5G boasts a spacious 6.9-inch FHD Plus AMOLED foldable display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. When folded, a convenient circular 1.43-inch outer AMOLED screen with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels allows quick access to notifications and basic functions without unfolding the phone. According to the company,